In this example, I'm going to solve this linear system using elimination. So the first step is to make sure both equations are written in standard form, so x and a y equaling my constant. So on the first equation, this negative 21y I'll need to bring over to the left side. So I'll have 7x plus 21y equals 27. And the bottom equation, looks like my y is already on the left, but I'll need to bring this negative 6x over as a positive 6x. Okay, so I have now both of these equations written, and they're in standard form, so my x's line up, my y's line up, and my constants over here on the right side line up. So let's inspect the variables x's and y's and decide which way we're going to go. So the x's are both positive and the y's are both positive. So I know when I multiply, I'm going to end up multiplying, one of these has to be a negative. And 7 and 6 aren't the same number, nor do they have common factors. Same with this one over here. They're not the same numbers, and they're not factors of one another. So I'm going to go ahead and just switch up here 6 and 7. And remember, since they have the same signs, one of these has to be opposite, so we'll make it a negative 7. So let's go through and distribute this 6 through. So 6 times 7 will be 42x plus 126y. And then 6 times 27, we can double it first if you want to, so 54, and then times by 3, so 162. And then the bottom is negative 42x. And then 7 times 18 is going to be, well, 10 times 7 is 70, and then 8 times 7, so minus 126y equals negative 7 times 18, so it'll be 70 and a 56 again, so negative 126. Okay, well, something interesting happens here. Looks like my x's cancel. It looks like my y's also cancel. So I'm left with a 0 on the left side. And on this right side, I have, what, 36? So 0 equals 36. Well, all of my variables have canceled. I'm left with a statement, and in fact, this statement is a false statement. 0 does not equal 36. So I'm going to say for this, there is no solution. So this system has no solution, which kind of indicates if I were to graph these two lines, they would be parallel lines. No points of intersection there. So no solution for this system. And it happened because all of my variables canceled and I was left with a false statement.